Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to use collaborative collections on Instagram. Instagram's collaborative collections allow you and up to 250 friends to save, organize, and curate posts or reels together in a shared space. Anyone in the group chat can view, add, or remove items from that collection, making it perfect for planning trips, sharing memes, or simply brainstorming. Now, step 1, save a post. Find any post or reel on your feed, explore page, or in your direct messages. Hit the save icon at the bottom of the post, right? And instead of saving it to a private collection, we're gonna create a new one. So let me click again. Hit the new collection, the blue highlighted word. Add the name. Press add people to collection, right? Now you can add friends and save. Search or select the friends you want to invite to the collection. And then hit done in the top right. So hit done, press save eventually. This creates the collection and sends a notification to your chosen friends inbox so they can start contributing. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time.